For me, it was a great trip. Sometimes too long.
ये लो तुम्हें उठा लो यार
I have so many
तुम्हें ले लो
recommendations with me that I got during the trip. Yes, I can only say thank you.
Thank you very much. Renate?
For me, it was exactly what I expected. I wanted to sit and look. And I'm happy with it, very happy, very impressed. The only thing that I didn't like so much was dinner at 8.
It is too late.
It was too early for you.
No, too late. But everything else was perfect for me.
I tried hard to make the dinner arrangement by 7:30, but the standard time in most of the hotels is 8:30, but somehow I managed to work them to 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
But yes, I'll take this as a feedback and I'll try to,
Yeah.
do something better next time.
It was impression, and sometimes it was a little too fast for me. But to look left or right, something to see, and we had 20 pace less
Less.
than the other bikes, so we must give
Difficult for you to cope with.
to follow. Yeah.
But you have 80 kilo less than other bikes.
But it was a really great thing. Yeah. Fine.
My friends, Wolfgang,
Ich konnte in Deutsch, ich bin eigentlich nicht so mächtig.
can someone help you to...
Der Fritz,
Nein,
irgendeiner übersetzt es.
Ja, war ich schon.
Ich habe nicht viel zu sagen, mich freut es, dass wir den hohen Alter mitgenommen habt.
Ich tue mal dazwischen. He's very happy that he was able to join, especially as he has a high age.
Ja, und die Tour war wunderbar schön und werden bestimmt Jahre davon träumen.
The tour was wonderful and he will be dreaming for many years.
Jahre nicht ein Jahr.
1 year, not many years, 1 year he will be dreaming of the tour.
Und er ist ein guter Guide.
And Deepak, you're a great guy.
Thank you. Gracias. You will.
Thank you. My English is also not the best. The tour was at the end for them. It was very difficult to follow sometimes, but I was happy so I can give the must gas from all. For critic is sometimes we were in the hotel and have to wait about half an hour of the bus. And so we don't use the time to make more stops, more breaks for little photos. There was rice fields with the plantage, I would to see this, and there was people, the woman, different colored, who work in this. This was a great photo.
Oh,
Yeah. So when not to wait on the end, make some breaks, then we must not wait so long.
got it.
But thank you for you, thank you for you.
See,
For you, yeah.
big man. Big man.
Big man.
Du gibst drauf.
That's it, bro.
Tell it in your own words. Anything louder.
What does it mean? The song.
That's it. What does it mean?
I will survive वो वाला ना
I will survive.
I will survive. I will
I
survive.
am the tiger, man.
I didn't think I will survive, but I survived. I'm very happy that we all survived. I'm very happy that nothing happened. Nobody was seriously injured. It was a great experience to explore a new continent, completely new culture. Sometimes it was not easy for us, but it was the greatest experience. I won't miss any minute, and yeah, I want to thank you guys. You did a good job.
Thank you.
One thing, maybe next time you could see if every bike has a small bag on the heck. Yeah, small bag where you can put some useful things.
Some water bottles.
This would be
all had a
great.
backpack.
Make it easier.
We all had a backpack.
No,
Only you.
I can't afford to have it.
His backpack is a 50-liter bag.
We should do it in the back.
Yeah.
No, thank you for all. It was a great
Thank you.
experience.
And my friend, Stocky.
Beer was warm.
It was a nice trip, and I hope you have learned.
Reviva?
60
days.
And then go.
Go.
To Goa.
We can have picture.
Robbie?
I have to thank you, to say thank you very, very much to you, Deepak, and to your team. It was a real perfect organization. Perfect. I say nothing that you could do better. The speed you were going, well, for me, it was okay, and I enjoyed very much. Had many impressions of India, new impressions. You know, I stayed here 30 years ago.
Yeah.
Lots of changes, I have to say. And I really have to say thank you. All of you was a great trip, and maybe once I come again, but I will recommend you to my friends. Many of them are off-road bikers or maybe enduro bikers. So I think they will join you soon.
Great. Thanks.
I say thank you.
You're not.
Yeah, it was a hell of a ride. It was amazing. You organized it perfect. In the beginning, I thought it would be an old man's trip.
It is.
But the old
It is an
man,
old man's trip.
But the old men are still young.
the old man can still drive a bike. Crazy. No, I loved it, and you organized it perfect, and your team was perfect, and yeah, great trip. Thank you, Deepak.
Peter.
It was a great journey, so many impressions. I'm happy nobody is hurt, nobody's injured, and as Fritz said, it was much too fast, but I loved it. It was great, really, and the team, very, very good. And I have to say one word, because we have one in our team who was the organizer of all this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I want to give him a great, not only one applause, a great applause. Weiter, danke! Thank you.
Also for me, it was a great experience. I didn't ride a bike since 26 years, so I was a little afraid. And I was afraid of falling down. I commit. But it was, yeah, the first day. Also for me it was a little bit too fast. I'm used to go very slowly through villages to have a look.
But it was great.
Yeah. But great places to see, great experience, fantastic. Thank you. Deepak and the boys. Thank you.
Thank you.
And important man, Mr. Walter.
I have much luck. I have the idea for this trip, and I look in the internet and can find your company. It's much luck for me. I have the idea, I've been up here and I speak with all the papers, and so we go to the
India.
company and we make this trip. This is much luck. We have the best organizer, the best company, the best guide, the best motorbike guide, the best mechanic, the best driver with a car, all the best.
And the best
Thank
crew.
you. Thank you, Deepak.
Thank you.
Thank you.